My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, using the buttons just below, we can get quick access to our map, navigation, button settings, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. If we press this button here, we can access our climate control. We also have heated seats on either side and the choice of 4 different driving modes. So we have Eco, Normal, Sport. If we hold down, Eco Plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.